Now the next trigger event come here is the before delete. So again, before the deletion of the record, if you want to do any kind of validation or you want to check some kind of condition, and based on that only you will going to allow a user to delete the record, then in such cases we will going to take help of before delete event. Okay, so like suppose account record is there, and if the rating is equals to hot, then you will not going to allow user to delete this record. So when you will going to check this condition, so we will going to check this condition before the deletion of the record, not after the deletion of the record, so that if the condition satisfy, I can make the user not to delete this records. I can show him a message, I can throw an error that you cannot delete this record. So this is only possible if you will going to check this condition before the deletion of record. So how you will going to check this? Using the trigger event before delete. This will going to check the condition before deleting, before running the operation of delete. Okay, and if condition satisfy, it will not going to allow a user to delete the record. Now if we talk about the context variable, in this trigger.old and old map will going to give you the values, not new and new map, because deletion will be performed on the records which are already available in the Salesforce, that is the older records. No new records will be there. So trigger.old and the old map will going to give you the value here. So if you are working on the requirement and using the before delete trigger event, then you will going to take help of either old or the old map to check the data or to verify the data, whatever you want to do. Then you will going to use these two context variables. So till here, these are the three before trigger events we have discussed. If you are having any queries in any of the trigger event, do let me know. Thank you so much.